Hello, boss. I have a very large edge polisher behind me. So, what's the magic? Look at the big screen. What about this device? It was ordered by a friend of our Middle Eastern customer. Then, when ordering, the request he made to us was to think, there is no need to arrange a manpower at the discharge port to receive this finished brick here. Instead, by using a production line that automatically recycles, send the sharpened bricks back to where they started. This way, it can save a cost of manpower. What about this machine? It has a lot of functions. You can see a drawing of a processing I have here. It can be processed by all processes. So its function is very powerful. So let's take a look at its actual test effect. Let's go. So what about this machine? Its configuration is very rich. The first is a function of straightening the edge. The second is a function of slotting. The third is a cross-cutting function. Fourth, a function of... So here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 types of a device, especially grinding our styling edges. So here it is. There are 2 more, down 45 degrees to upper 45 degrees of polishing. Well, then there are another 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A devil with 6 straight edges polished. The whole machine is very long. Okay, what about today's video? It's over for now. If you want to customize more functions, or you want to customize it according to your actual production situation, welcome to Contact Me. I'm Davis. I'm waiting for you at the factory. Bye.